Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 Best Garbage Disposals Reviews. Number 5. InSinkErator Evolution.
Many people think a disposer works like a blender, with spinning blades chopping and breaking down the waste. In reality, disposers work in a different way, and there are no blades involved. Instead, impellers, or lugs mounted on a spinning plate, use centrifugal force to continuously force food waste particles against a stationary grind ring. The grind ring breaks down the food waste into very fine particles, virtually liquefying them. After they're ground, the running water flushes the particles through the grind ring and out of the disposer and into your wastewater pipe. From there, it flows to a wastewater treatment plant or your septic system.
Strong motor. Super quiet. Handles most food waste. 3-stage multi-grind. Auto unjam. 7-year warranty. Item weight 25.5 pounds. Item model number XL cord. Color silver. Material stainless steel. Number 4. Waste King L8000.
In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to remove a typical garbage disposal and install a Waste King Easy Mount disposal. The first step is prep. Waste King garbage disposals operate on 110 to 120 volt, 60 Hz, which is standard in most homes. If you have any questions, check with a qualified electrician. Before getting started, unplug your old garbage disposal and dishwasher if you have one. If your disposal is hardwired, turn off the power at the electrical panel and disconnect any hardwired connections. If there's a dishwasher, connect the dishwasher drain hose with a clamp. A 7/8 inch inside diameter hose will fit directly to the garbage disposal. If the hose size is different, use a dishwasher connector kit. Make sure all connections are secure, then run water to check for leaks. Plug in the power cord, turn the power back.
Relatively quiet. Strong motor 1 HP. Surprisingly affordable. Handles most food types. Lifetime warranty. Item weight 11.94 pounds. Item model number L8000. Material stainless steel. Number 3. InSinkErator Essential XTR. Horsepower Dura drive induction motor. 2-stage multi-grind. 6-year warranty. Handles most food types. Item weight 19 pounds. Item model number Essential XTR. Color grey. Voltage 34 volts. Number 2. Moen GXS75C GX series.
From innovative faucets to kitchen sinks, you can count on Moen for thoughtful design. Moen's quality, style, and performance are proven above and below the sink. What makes Moen's GX series of garbage disposals different from the rest? The story starts with performance. Moen's Vortex motor powers every model. When powered on, the permanent magnet motor immediately operates at full speed, similar to many power tools. The Vortex motor is the powerhouse behind the Moen disposal's fast and powerful grinding action, allowing them to tackle tough kitchen scraps and helping to reduce jamming. It's continuous feed, so it will grind as long as the unit is powered on. All this power is contained within a compact, lightweight design, making installation easier. The Universal Express mount fits all Moen and most existing 3-bolt mounting assemblies with a simple twist and lock installation. Once mounted to the sink, reattach the plumbing and simply plug in the unit. The power cord is pre-installed, providing a cost and time savings. Inside the disposal, Moen's Sound Shield is designed to help reduce motor and grinding noises to quiet your cleanup. Moen offers a portfolio of garbage disposals that vary by horsepower and length of warranty.
Strong motor, jamming preventive, affordable and 5-year warranty. Item weight 7.75 pounds. Item model number GXS75C. Color black. Style 3 or 4 HP. Included components garbage disposal. Number 1. InSinkErator Badger 5. Can be UN jam med from underside. Sturdy build. Durable motor. Item weight 13.85 pounds. Item model number Badger 5. Color grey.